it's me, Luke, and my mom.
Hey, y'all.
And we're doing a Scentsy video.
That's right. Luke is here with me today. This is Lori Robertson, independent Scentsy consultant. Just got a box of Scentsy in, so it's an exciting day. Thought we would go live or come on and show y'all what's in our box. And it is really bright in my kitchen today, so woo! Really bright. Okay, Luke, move your little arm so I can open the box. Let's see what we got in here today. I can't even remember. I placed quite a few orders the other day for different people and different things, so I'm not sure what's in here. I have not checked my tracking, so this will be as big of a surprise to us as it is to y'all. All right, Luke, let's see what we got. Tons of packing material. Just throw that behind you.
Yeah.
All right, pull that first thing out. I feel like I need my sunglasses on for this video.
Toilet paper.
It's not toilet paper, contrary to what Luke has said. These are our Scentsy cotton cleanups, and I have been looking forward to trying these. I usually throw a few cotton balls in my warmer, but these things, wow, that is thick. These things are really cool. A lot of people love these. I have multiple warmers in my house, and I've heard that you can take this cotton pad. Okay. I've heard that you can take this. You can take this cotton pad and go around, and it will soak up like 4 warmers worth of wax. So I got some of these, and I'm planning to share these with customers as well as a sample. So if you've got an order coming soon, you might be getting one of these in with your order. All right, so those are cotton cleanups.
That's me, Luke, and my mom.
All right, guys, the next thing we've got in here is some cleaners. Oh, this is one of our classic clean bundles. So
Which one is the back one?
this is our counter clean, Blue Grotto. We got some Johnny Appleseed. I'm sorry, this was bathroom cleaner. I think I said counter clean. The bathroom cleaner has the black nozzle right now. The Johnny Appleseed counter clean, which is my favorite counter cleaner. And y'all know our counter cleans are coming right now without a spray nozzle. So they're discounted to reflect that, but we just have not been able to keep up with production on those. We've sold so much counter clean. So save your sprayers on your counter clean, or the discount gives you enough to get you a dollar store sprayer if you need one. So counter clean, bathroom cleaner, and Go-Go Mango dish soap. That was our classic clean bundle. All these 3 products together, $22.50 this month, or for a limited time. I'm not sure for how long, but if y'all need some cleaners, that's a great price. Don't open that, Luke. That's for a customer. What else is in here? Don't open that, Luke.
I opened this.
Oh, that's fine. Don't open the Scentsy. All right. I have got a mini fan and some pods. Let's see. Oh, let me smell the pods first. I got some Welcome Home. Wow. Luke, smell that. Lean down and smell. Do you like that?
Yeah.
What does it smell like? Ah, we have a carabiner stuck on our finger. Pull your fingers out of there. Did you like the way this smells? Good, huh? All right, and a mini fan diffuser, which I love. Use mine in my car on the daily.
I need to pause this, girl.
No, we're not pausing this. Boy, mini fan diffuser. These are $15. Grab the pods for $10. You're all set up for some awesome fragrance on the go or at your computer, wherever you have a USB connection. All right, and last but not least, yay, I've been needing these. One of my favorite little happies to give people. I've got some new scent circles. These are 6 for $15, 3 for $8, or only $3 a piece. These are great to have on hand if you're sending a birthday card to somebody. Drop this in. This will mail for a regular stamp. These would also be really cute in the Christmas fragrances to stick in with your Christmas cards. Wouldn't that be fun? So that's my Scentsy haul for the day. Just wanted to show y'all. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.